anyways, well, let's just continue on recording this roasting video.
Shut up.
Holy crap. You got roasted, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, Tom just sent a death threat back. Oh, what does Ben have to say about that?
Same
death threat. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, you send death threats to each other. Oh my god. Dude, that was kind of surprising because usually one of you send death threats to the other, but you did it to each other. Wow. Just wow. That was really a roast. You both did it. Sorry about that running. Anyways, thank you for watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Spook ya later. Goodbye, folks. So long, spooky doodles. See you later.